Hi, John. My name is Tisha. Thank you so much for taking out this time and watching my video. You and I spoke yesterday. Um, I found your company when doing research on plumbers in your area. So my goal today is to provide some tips for increasing your online presence, your ranking on Google, and increasing your customers. So today we'll talk about three different areas. It's going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first, to begin with content. So content is anything that can be found within your website. So any words you're using, pictures, how the pictures are saved, what's behind the pictures, and videos. Now, in order to rank on Google, they're looking for at least 1,500 to 2,000 words. So by increasing your content, you would be able to use more keywords. Now, keywords are the words that are typed in the search engine to find a certain service or type of business. So the more keywords you have, then you'll be able to be found and rank higher. So the next we'll talk about would be citations. Now, citations are anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address can be found. Now, this could be found in a local directory, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Pinterest, Facebook, for example. So the more citations that you have, then the better it is for people to find your business. Now, the goal is to have more than your top competitors, and so that you're found before their companies. Now, this is what I found when Googling plumbers in San Francisco. So the first here would be the paid per click. So these are companies that are paying to have their companies listed here. The next would be ads. Now, ads can be tricky. In this day and age, many people have ad blockers. So sometimes, even though they're paying for these ads, people do not see them because they're blocked. The next would be the Map Pack. So these are companies that have a Google My Business. It is important to be listed in this area. Generally, people will go to the first companies that they see. So the goal would be to have your company listed here. The next that we have would be the organic search. So to begin with, we see that Yelp is first, and then there's another local San Francisco directory. Now, when looking through the organic search, the first company that I see here is Magic Plumbing. So that will be your top competitor. I wasn't able to find that your website is ranking at this time. So hopefully with these tips, then you can improve your ranking through Google. Now let's look at a tool that we use called Ahrefs. Now, Ahrefs will show how your website is doing. It is not 100%, but still gives us a general idea. So I'm showing that you have 4 backlinks. Now, backlinks are links that are on a website that leads back to your website. So the more backlinks that you have, then the more traffic you will get on your website. So the goal is to see your top competitors' backlinks. We can always use some backlinks as well to increase that traffic. You're utilizing 23 keywords. I'm not showing that you're getting traffic to your website. Again, this could be a little bit off. Now let's look at your keywords that you're using. So your company name. This right here shows how you're ranking. So San Francisco plumber, contractor, best plumbers in San Francisco, water heater repair, best plumbing San Francisco. Okay, and then plumbing SF. So then that's how you're being found with those keywords. The next is going to be Magic Plumbing. Now, I do want to just take a look before we go over those numbers. This is their website. Okay, so this is the website. I apologize. I'm going from the bottom on up, so I do apologize about that. So they do have quite a bit of content that they're using within their website. So then that would be a goal of your website as well. Okay, now I'm showing that they have over 1,900 backlinks, over 1,200, about 1,200 keywords, and then they're bringing in about 918 people to their website per month, and generating about $20,000 in revenue. Now, one thing I want to say about backlinks is that backlinks are not all the same, so we want to make sure you have some quality backlinks. Again, we can always use the same backlinks that your competitors are using and build those for you. Let's look at their keywords. So we have sub link detection, plumber San Francisco, which they're ranking #1, sewer hydro jetting near me, sump pump service, water heater whistling, gas boiler repair near me, water. Okay, I said that one already. Let's see any more. Plumber San Francisco SF. So just give you a general idea. So again, we can use these same keywords that they're currently using and build that within your website to help with your ranking. So I hope that you have enjoyed these tips that I have provided. Now you're welcome to use these tips on your own. If you would like a more in-depth conversation, I would love to speak with you. Please give me a call at 916-378-9773. Thank you so much for your time. I would like to get some feedback on this video, so please reach out to me just to let me know what you thought about the tips. Thank you again. You have a good day.